Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their subwoofer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power. Ensure both the soundbar and subwoofer are connected to power and the soundbar is turned on. Step 2. Set ID. Press and hold the ID set button on the subwoofer's back until the red light turns off and the blue light blinks. Step 3. Use remote. Using the remote, press and hold the up button for at least 5 seconds until the ID set message appears briefly on the soundbar display. Step 4. Check connection. Verify that the LED on the subwoofer is solid blue, indicating a successful connection. Script_step_5_leader. Script_step_5. Now you should be able to pair your subwoofer with the Samsung HW-T650 soundbar effortlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.